So guys, a very warm welcome to all of you to this channel. Today we will be talking about a very important notification. Many aspirants aspire to join the defense forces. So this is the opportunity, guys. UPSC has released a notification of Combined Defense Services Examination CDS 2 2021. It is a must watch video if you want to join defense forces. Guys, if you are a graduate, irrespective of your gender, if you are a male, female, this video is for both. So guys, watch this video till the end to get what is required to be eligible to filling the form. So guys, if you want that this proud smile, then you must fill this form. If you want to don that uniform, you have to fill this form. Do you have it in you? So this is the right moment to cherish your life. So guys, if you want, boys, if you want this para commando badge, if you want this proud smile, if you want that your parents piped your stars onto your shoulder, then you should fill this form. Guys, Indian youth is misleading towards strong direction. You have to be you must have watched Sher Shah movie. You must have the courage, the bravery of our soldiers. So if you want to be one among them, you have to watch this video, guys. This, see, girls, if you want that your parents to be proud of you, let's break all the barriers and let's become an army officer. Let your parents feel proud of you, guys. Friendship, guys, if you want this kind of friendship bond in your life, then you should fill this form. Must watch video. Watch the video till the end. I will be covering all the important points of this notification. So guys, here is the notification released by UPSC for your CDS Combined Defense Services Examination 2 2021. Guys, firstly, last date for submission of application is 24th August 2021. Hurry up, guys. So don't wait for the last date. There may be a rush on the websites, so go and fill this form. The commission website upsc.gov.in. You have to go to this site to fill this form. Guys, let me cover all the important points in this notification. Candidate to ensure their eligibility for the examination. Firstly, how to apply. So I will be telling you the detailed procedure that how you can apply for this. So firstly, let me tell you, as I already told, that last date is 24th August 2021 till 600 hours. Okay guys, 1800 hours. Online application can be withdrawn from 31st August 2021 to 6th of November 2021 till 6 p.m. Okay guys, so in the examination there will be a negative marking. So the question paper is of objective type. Okay, and for every wrong answer a penalty will be charged, and what will be that penalty we will be covering in subsequent parts. Okay guys, so here are the vacancies, guys. Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, 153rd direct entry course. It is commencing in July 2022. We have 100 vacancies, guys. 100. Okay, 100 vacancies, guys, we have. Now Indian Naval Academy, Azimala, commencing in July 2022 for the executive branch, Journal Services, Hydro. Okay guys, we have 22 vacancies. Okay, Air Force Academy, Hyderabad, July 2022 में कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है, guys. 32 vacancies we have. Officers Training Academy, Chennai, Madras, 116th SSC Men non-technical course commencing from October 2022, guys. 169 vacancies we have. Okay guys, so Chennai Officers Training Academy, Chennai, for women, 30th SSC Women non-technical course, we have 16 vacancies, guys. So total number of vacancies are 39, guys. 339, guys. So hurry up, guys. You have to fill this form if you want to be one among that people's men in uniform, women in uniform. You have to go and fill this form. I will be covering the important so here are the centers of examination. So you can check as per your suitability of attending the examination. You can fill the centers from these list of cities. So guys, you have to check that which is your nearest center, so you can select as per your. So here are the conditions. You have to be a citizen of India, guys. Okay, so citizen of India, subject to Nepal, and person of Indian origin who has migrated from any of these countries, they are eligible to apply, guys. Okay, so guys, here are the age limits for IMA. Unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2nd of July 1998 and not later than 1st July 2003. Guys, 2nd July 1998 से लेकर 1st of July 2003. If you are born in between that, you are eligible for IMA, you are eligible for Indian Naval Academy, you are eligible for Indian Air Force Academy, guys. And if you are an OTA aspirant, you have the age limits of 2nd July 1997 to 1st July 2003. So if you are born between this, you are also eligible for OTA. Okay guys, so girl candidates can only apply for Officers Training Academy. They are not eligible for Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy, Military Academy. Okay guys, for this particular notification, girls are only eligible for OTA. Here are the education qualification, guys. If you are a IMA student, if you want to apply for IMA or Officers Training Academy, you require a degree of recognized university. If you want to join Indian Naval Academy, you require a degree in engineering from a recognized university. If you want to join Air Force, you require a degree of a recognized university with physics and maths at 10+2 level or Bachelor of Engineering. Okay guys, graduates with first choice as Army, Navy, Air Force are to submit proof of graduation or provisional certificates on the date of commencement of the SSB interview at the SSBs. Okay guys, now we will be moving further. Here we have covered age limits, we have covered education qualification. Okay guys, now here are the fees structures. So guys, candidates accepting female SC/ST candidates, they are exempted from the fees, and all other candidates have to fill this form by a nominal fees of rupees 200. So guys, you can fill this by online or through any SBI branch. Okay guys, so we'll be covering next important point, that is how to apply, guys. I will be making a separate video of filling this form UPSC. So if you are interested that step-by-step procedure of filling this form, please comment down in this video, and I will be covering that in subsequent next video hours. So for the time, you can fill this form at www.upsc.gov.in, guys. So guys, I have covered the notification already, told you about the last date for submission. Okay guys, if you have any doubt regarding this, please drop your comments in the comment box, and I will be covering the syllabus part in the subsequent video depending upon your reply. Okay guys, so we will be talking more in the comment section. So guys, comment below if you want any kind of video related to CDS, any kind of doubt, I will be there for you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.